Good day, everyone. Here's my topic about artificial intelligence in robotics, revolutionizing automation and efficiency. Artificial intelligence in robotics is not just a technological advancement, but a transformative force that is reshaping multiple industries. AI enables robots to perform tasks that once required human intelligence, making them capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions in real time. From enhancing precision in manufacturing to improving healthcare with robotic surgeries, AI in robotics is making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. However, with these advancements come challenges, including ethical concerns, high cost, and technological limitations. In this presentation, we will explore the growing integration of art in robotics, its application challenges, and the exciting possibilities it holds for the future. By the end, you will gain a clearer understanding of how AI and robotics are poised to drive innovation and transform the world as we know it. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to machines or systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as decision making, problem solving, and learning. AI systems evolve based on data they collect, improving their performance over time. Key components. First, machine learning, a branch of AI where machines learn from data and improve automatically without being explicitly programmed. Next, natural language processing enables machines to understand and interpret human language. Last, computer vision allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual input, image recognition. What is robotics? Robotics involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots to perform tasks that can be either repetitive or dangerous. Robots often work autonomously or semi-autonomously, performing tasks with high precision and speed. There are three key features. First, automation. Robots can perform tasks automatically with minimal human intervention. Next, precision. Robots can perform tasks with incredible accuracy. Next, efficiency. Robots streamline processes, saving time and reducing human error. Importance of artificial intelligence in robotics. First is enhances decision making and adaptability. This AI allows robots to make intelligent decisions and adapt to changes in their environment, making them more autonomous and efficient. Next, real-time learning and responses. Robots with AI can learn from past actions, improving their decision-making abilities in real time. Next, expands robotic application. AI enables robots to perform complex tasks in various fields such as healthcare, surgical robots, industry, autonomous manufacturing robots, and customer service robots that interact with customers. Applications of artificial intelligence in robotics. Autonomous vehicles, medical robots, industrial robots, home robots. So, autonomous vehicles, drones, and self-driving cars use AI to navigate, make real-time decisions, and interact with their surroundings. Medical robots. AI-powered robots are used for precision surgeries, diagnostic procedures, and rehabilitation, improving accuracy and patient outcomes. Industrial robots. AI-driven robots enhance manufacturing process such as assembly, packing, and logistics by automating tasks and improving operational efficiency. Challenges of artificial intelligence in robotics. First, technological challenges. Robots often struggle to function in complex or unpredictable environments. They require vast computational power to process the data needed for AI tasks. Next, ethical concern. As robots take over repetitive or dangerous tasks, there's growing concern about job loss in many industries. If a robot makes a mistake or causes harm, it can be difficult to assign responsibility and should the robot's programmer be accountable. Last, cost factor. The development and implementation of AI-driven robots are costly, making them expensive for many organizations to adopt. Streamlining operations with artificial intelligence. First, reducing human error. Automating repetitive tasks with AI reduces the likelihood of human mistakes. Next, optimizing workflow. AI can organize tasks, manage resources, and adjust operations in real time to ensure smooth processes. Next, predictive maintenance. AI-powered robots can predict when equipment will fail or need maintenance, minimizing downtime and improving operational efficiency. Reducing costs with artificial intelligence in robotics. First, automated tasks reduce labor costs. So, with robots performing tasks that were once done by humans, labor costs decrease, especially in manufacturing and logistics. Next, energy efficient operations. AI helps optimize the energy consumptions of robots, reducing utility costs in manufacturing or commercial environments. Last, improve product quality. AI helps in identifying defects or inconsistencies early in the production process, leading to better product quality and reduced waste. Future of artificial intelligence in robotics. First, emerging trends. The rise of humanoid robots that can interact with humans and even perform creative tasks. Next, smart cities. AI-powered robots will play a significant role in managing public services like waste collection, traffic management, and urban farming. Next, space exploration. AI and robotics will drive the next wave of space exploration, with robots operating autonomously in space or on other planets, as seen in Mars rovers. Ethics and responsibility in artificial intelligence robotics. First, transparency in AI decision making. It's crucial that AI systems are transparent in their decision-making process so that their actions are understandable to humans. Next, data privacy and security. As robots, as robots gather data from their environment of users, ensuring that this data is handled responsibly and securely is critical. Next, balancing automation and with human involvement. While robots can automate many tasks, it's important to maintain human oversight to ensure ethical practices and avoid over-reliance on machines. So here's my summary. Artificial intelligence and robotics are transforming industries through automation, efficiency, and innovation. Challenges remain in cost, ethics, and technology. With responsible implementation, AI and robotics promises a brighter future. Quote, the ultimate promise of artificial intelligence is not to replace humans, but to amplify what makes us uniquely human. This reinforces the idea that AI and robotics are tools meant to complement and enhance human capabilities, not replace them. That would be all. I'm Erica Gordeliu from BSOAD 3E.